देखा न कोहकन कोई फरहाद के बगैर, आता नहीं है फन कोई उस्ताद के बगैर. Assalamu alaikum. Today I stand before you and I would like to share my journey here in Knowledge Streams. The journey has been very transformative, enlightening and filled with countless experiences. So in 2022 I was graduated. Basically मेरा जिस शहर से ताल्लुक़ है उसका नाम बहावलपुर है और वहाँ पर इतनी ज़्यादा अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ नहीं थी और वहाँ का जो एकेडमिक सिस्टम है वो भी इतना ज़्यादा इम्प्रोवाइज्ड नहीं है. सो मुझे अपनी फील्ड से अलग होकर एक जॉब करनी पड़ी एंड आई स्टार्टेड अ जॉब एज अ टेक्निकल एनालिस्ट. देन आई joined knowledge streams and knowledge streams shows me a path because there was a quench for my thirst to pursue my profession as a software engineer, and for this initiative I would like to thank Sir Suhail Naqvi for providing me such a medium where I can pursue my profession as a software engineer. And I would like to thank my trainees, Ma'am Kainat and Naveed, who has shown their efforts to increasing or enhancing, boosting especially our technical and soft skills. At Dainn, I would like to say that follow your passion, always be true to yourself. Never try to follow someone else's path, unless you are in a jungle and you are lost and you are unable to find a way. By all that means, if you find a way, if you find a path, just follow it. Thank you.